Assalamualaikum guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is overview of insurance policies. Insurance policies are contracts between an individual or entity and an insurance company. These policies provide financial protection in the event of specified risks or losses. Here are brief details on some common types of insurance policies. Type 1 Life Insurance. Life insurance provides a death benefit to the beneficiaries named in the policy upon the insured person's death. It offers financial support to the family or dependent of the insured. Second type Health Insurance. Health insurance covers medical expenses including hospitalization, surgeries, medications, and prevention care. It helps individuals manage healthcare costs and access necessary medical services. Type 3 Auto Insurance. Auto insurance provides coverage for damages or injuries resulting from car accidents. It typically includes liability coverage, which pays for damages to others, as well as coverage for the insured's vehicle. Type 4 Homeowners Renters Insurance. Homeowners insurance protects homeowners against losses or damages to their property, such as fire, theft, or natural disasters. Renters insurance offers similar coverage for individuals renting a property. Type 5 Property Insurance. Property insurance covers losses related to property, including damage caused by fire, theft, vandalism, or other perils. It can apply to residential, commercial, or industrial properties. Type 6 Travel Insurance. Travel insurance offers coverage for unforeseen events while traveling, such as trip cancellation, lost luggage, medical emergencies, or evacuation. Type 7 Disability Insurance. Disability insurance provides income replacement if the insured person becomes disabled and unable to work. It helps individuals maintain their financial stability during periods of disability. Type 8 Liability Insurance. Liability insurance protects individuals or businesses against claims or lawsuits resulting from bodily injury or property damage caused to others. It covers legal expenses and damages awarded in such cases. It is important to note that the coverage terms and conditions of insurance policies may vary between insurance companies and jurisdictions. It's recommended to review the specific policy documents and consult with an insurance professional to fully understand the details of any insurance policy. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.